Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick fix, I'll show you exactly how to solve the error. Our systems have detected unusual activity from your system on ChatGPT. Don't worry, it's a simple step-by-step solution, and I'll guide you through it right now. First is check your internet connection if it's active properly. After confirming, go to your setting and find the app management and click it. Go to permission and enable all options. After that, click the app list and search for ChatGPT. Click the storage and cache and clear cache and storage, and try to check if you already updated the new version of ChatGPT. And that's it. Now you know the quick fix for the unusual activity detected error on ChatGPT. Super simple and effective. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop a comment if you ran into any other issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.